Hello everyone! Welcome to this video where I'll take you through the entire process of finding products on Alibaba to sell on Amazon. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your sourcing strategy, this guide will give you the practical steps you need to succeed. To begin, we'll focus on product research, the foundation of any successful Amazon business. Identifying a profitable product for Amazon requires a unique approach compared to platforms like Shopify or eBay. For my research, I use a tool called Helium 10, which simplifies the process and helps uncover high-potential products. Once I log into Helium 10, I use the black box tool, located in the product research section. This tool allows me to apply specific filters to find products that align with my criteria. I typically focus on evergreen categories like baby products and pet supplies since these are consistently in demand. I refine my search further by adjusting parameters such as the number of reviews, product size, weight, price range, and expected monthly revenue. For example, I might come across a product like a waterproof AirTag case for dogs. With low competition and strong sales performance, it could be an excellent opportunity. To ensure the product is worth pursuing, I use additional Helium 10 tools to analyze its market potential. This includes evaluating profit margins, keyword trends, and overall competitiveness, all of which play a critical role in decision-making. Once I've chosen a product, the next step is finding a trustworthy supplier on Alibaba.com. As one of the world's largest marketplaces, Alibaba connects buyers with manufacturers, primarily in China. By searching for the product's keywords, I can browse through a range of suppliers. To ensure quality and reduce risks, I look for manufacturers with several years of experience, a verified badge from Alibaba, and expertise in producing the specific product I'm interested in. When I've identified a few promising suppliers, I reach out with a professional inquiry email. In this email, I include key questions about their payment options, shipping costs, delivery times, and their ability to customize or meet specific product requirements. Comparing responses from different suppliers helps me find the one that offers the best balance of quality, price, and communication. Before committing to a larger order, I place a small trial order, usually around 10 to 20 units, to verify the product's quality firsthand. After confirming a supplier, the final step is importing the inventory into my country. This involves understanding import duties and taxes, which can vary depending on your location, and calculating all costs to ensure the product offers a good return on investment. I also decide whether to use Amazon's Fulfilled by Amazon, FBA service, or opt for Fulfilled by Merchant, FBM. FBA is convenient because Amazon handles storage, packaging, and shipping, while FBM gives you more control and can sometimes be more cost-effective, depending on the product and scale of your business. And that's the process. By carefully conducting product research, navigating Alibaba, selecting a reliable supplier, and handling the import process effectively, you'll be well on your way to building a successful Amazon business.